Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare waakye without using the waakye leaves, and I am going to use Lamicook's recipe. Waakye is one of the popular dishes in Ghana and it tastes so delicious. Let's get started. This is saltpeter. First, soak the saltpeter in water for about 4 hours. I soaked the saltpeter in 700 ml of water. And this is how it looks like when it's soaked. Give it a stir, and then I am going to strain it with cheesecloth. I've never cooked waakye using saltpeter, and I'm really excited to try this method. I can't wait to see how it turns out. So guys, this is what I got after straining it. We don't need this. Pour the mixture into a cooking pot. Add 500 ml of plain water to it. At this point, I have added my washed beans. The beans is approximately 900 grams. Let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now give the beans a gentle press, and when it's split into two, then it's time to add your washed rice. Waakye is one of Ghana's favorite breakfasts. And the funny thing is, there is always a long queue at the waakye sellers joint. So at this point, I've added my rice. It's approximately 900 grams of rice. I will leave all the ingredients and the measurement in the description box. Give it a stir. Sprinkle a little bit of salt. Stir. And then cover. I'm going to give it a stir again to make sure the rice and beans cook evenly. Cover it. Let it cook for another 10 minutes. And voila, our waakye is ready. Look how beautiful it is. Soft, tasty, and beautiful. Lamicooks, abeg, take your two, okay? Take your two, thumbs up. Thank you so much for this recipe. Guys, you need to try this. This is a must try. The taste is unique and it tastes so much like the waakye you get from the waakye sellers joint. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Until the next video, bye for now.